Subscribe my channel right now and also press the bell icon button for the latest notifications. A very great morning to all my dear students of 12th standard, and along with them I also welcome to those students who are watching my video right now on Master G Rajnish Tyagi. My name is Rajnish and I welcome to you all once again for the online classes. Dear students, nowadays we are taking the chapter Indigo from the Flamingo book, and it is going to be the second part of this chapter. So we are ready for the paragraph. Here we go. Under an ancient arrangement, the Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. So there was an arrangement in Champaran which was located in Bihar. What kind of the arrangement was there? The Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. They were the sharecroppers of their crops. Sharecroppers means in Hindi we can say just like you have to give the some part of your crops to others. अपनी फसल का कुछ हिस्सा जमींदारों को दूसरे लोगों को दे देना, बटाई जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं. So there was an arrangement, and according to that arrangement, the Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. They were the sharecroppers. They will have to share the part of their crops to others. It means landlord. Rajkumar Shukla was one of them, and he was also the part of because of this city, this state. So he had to give also some parts of their crops to the landlords because he was one of them. He was illiterate but resolute. He was an illiterate person. He was not having any high degree of the education. He was not educated, but he was resolute. Resolute means a person who's determined. But he was determined. He was drid nishchay. He was determined to do something. He was illiterate but resolute. Resolute means determined. He had come to the congregation to complain about the injustice of landlord system in Bihar, and he had come to the session in the congregation which was going to held in the month of the December, I told you yesterday, and he had to come to meet only Mr. Gandhi there. And because of that, the complaint of that arrangement in Bihar or Champaran landlord system in Bihar, and somebody had probably said speak to Gandhi. There was someone in his city, in his state, who said to him that please, if you really want to have the conclusion and the solutions of this problem, why don't you meet to Mr. Gandhi? Somebody said to that person, to Rajkumar Shukla, please speak to Gandhi, meet with him. Gandhi told Shukla he had an appointment in Kanpur and was also committed to go other parts of India. When Gandhiji came to know, first of all, the problems of that Rajkumar Shukla, so that place and the person was unknown to him, and he was not interested to go there with him, and he was already committed to go somewhere, and was also having a busy schedule. That's why he was not interested to go with him. Shukla accompanied him everywhere, but Shukla was following him everywhere. जहाँ जहाँ गांधी जी जाते थे वहाँ वहाँ शुक्ला उनको जाकर के फॉलो करता था. He was following him everywhere. Accompanied का मतलब ही होता together, साथ रहना किसी के. Shukla accompanied him everywhere. Then Gandhi returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad. Shukla followed him to the ashram for weeks. He never left Gandhiji's side. And when Gandhiji come back again to his ashram in Ahmedabad, then that time he was also there. Who? Rajkumar Shukla. तो राजकुमार शुक्ला ने गांधी जी का साथ नहीं छोड़ा. जहाँ जहाँ गांधी जी गए वहाँ वहाँ राजकुमार शुक्ला गांधी जी के साथ चलता रहा और उनसे बार बार विनम्र प्रार्थना करता रहा. He was always requesting to Mr. Gandhi to come with him because of that problem in the Champaran, because he was the person who have found a man, according to some people, according to other people of the state of Bihar, someone said to him that why don't you meet to Mr. Gandhi, because he's the person right now who can help you. And that's why he was there and he was interested to meet Mr. Gandhi. And when Gandhiji came to know about the problems of that person, initially he was not interested to go with him in that city. But that person Rajkumar Shukla was resolute, determined, and he was always following him everywhere. He was accompanying him everywhere. So that's why finally Gandhiji was ready to go with him. But we will discuss about this thing in the next video, in the next paragraph. Till then, take care, have a great day, bye bye. And Vinayak, you have given the wonderful answer yesterday. Congratulations. And we will meet tomorrow with a new paragraph. Till then, take care, bye bye.